It's Sunday morning. I fought with this thing all day yesterday, but as you can see, I'm starting to make some headway. And in lots of times yesterday of tilting these motors up and down, I haven't seen one of them go up and one of them not yet. So it's all looking pretty good so far.
It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
I likely will give it a test flight today. I'm feeling rather badly. I was up till 2:30 last night, and then I couldn't get to sleep till like 5. But I got up at, 1 hour after my normal time, after only getting 4 hours of sleep. So maybe I shouldn't test it today, but I want to so badly. We'll see what happens later this afternoon. And then I'll get into what went on in the next video, because I'm using parts of both the original perimeters file and Mr. Piper's perimeter file. I cannot use Mr. Piper's very much of it, and I'll show you why. Thank you, guys.